Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name's Nestor and today we're working on the BMW M2 G87. Now, it is starting to get a little cold here in Canada. That's why I got the gloves, the shirt on top of the sweater. We'll talk about why in a second. You probably can see the logo right there. We got, the whole winter setup today because it's starting to get cold here in Canada, but that does not stop the videos. We got ourselves a beautiful carbon fiber front lip, and I've been waiting for that on this car for a really long time, and I finally pulled the trigger on one that I think is going to look really, really good. So I decided to go for Unit17 Autostyling in the US. They make a bunch of carbon fiber products and all sorts of stuff. They were even kind enough to send me this shirt right here and a bunch of these nice air fresheners, and the car is nice and high, gives us a lot of room to actually work on it. Now, what me and Unit17 Autostyling are doing for you guys is hooking you up with, I believe, a 5% discount code for anything on their website. So if you're watching this video and you want to buy something off their site, you're going to get an extra 5% off whatever that whatever price you see on their site. There it is, Unit17Autostyling.com, or on Instagram, Unit17Autostyling_US. That's the website, that's the Instagram. Make sure to go check out their website. Make sure to give them a follow because they make some sick products, and maybe, just maybe, we might do some more stuff on this car with them. We'll see. The box for this thing was sitting right there the whole week, and I have not taken it out of this wrapping. I wanted to kind of leave my my reaction here on camera because I think it's going to be so sick. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So this is a one-piece carbon fiber design, as you can tell by its massive size. I personally like it that way. I think it's just, better that way. And it is made with prepreg carbon fiber. So as you guys can see, it is like extremely lightweight. Like, I honestly didn't think there was anything in the box when it first came because the box was massive, but it weighed absolutely nothing. It's like a paperweight. Oh man, here we go. Ooh. Yo, check that out. Damn. Okay, so guys, this is a winglet style design, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. There we go. Oh man. Yo, this thing weighs nothing. I don't want to damage it. Hold up, I gotta be careful here. All right, let's put this underneath. We don't need that anymore. No, stop. It's ultra thin. As you guys can see, there's no bulk. There's no plastic reinforcement on the underside. And it has this really unique design. I'll bring it closer in a second to the camera so you guys can see, but it has these like indentations for airflow. Really unique design, and again, it weighs absolutely nothing. All right guys, so this is what the carbon fiber looks like. Check that out. So badass. So as you can see, like there's a lot of 3D elements here and indentations, but then on the center, it's not just an indentation. It's actually like there's a slit here for airflow. That's a sick design, and if it's functional, that's even better. Yeah, that is beautiful. The weave is just so nice on this thing. Wow, guys. And then, of course, as you can see, it's got the winglets on the side. Oh, that looks so badass. That front gloss black part just, ugh. It doesn't really do the car justice, in my opinion, because this sticks out, and then there's like this weird indentation. It's kind of an eyesore. It makes the car's front end just look kind of incomplete, but with this front lip, oh baby, it's gonna look real nice. But first things first, gotta put one of these inside the car. There it is. Check that out. Yo, that's got like a really nice tropical, I smell like a really nice tropical Hawaiian kind of vibe, but we're gonna put that in the car right now. It smells really good. That'll do nicely. Now, the really nice thing about this lip is the fact that you don't have to use any kind of self-tappers or make any new holes on the underside of the actual bumper. You're utilizing a lot of the OEM holes and the OEM kind of rivets and push pins and all that good stuff. And last thing before we get this on the actual car, I just want to show you how thin this carbon fiber is. I'm not kidding. This is probably the lightest carbon fiber piece I have ever had on any of my cars. There is absolutely no excess carbon fiber, no reinforced plastic. I mean, it is so thin and lightweight, you would not believe it. So it looks like we're gonna have to take out this push pin, these 4 10 mils, and then there's one more push pin. Those are the ones for the center. And then we're probably gonna have to take all those off, but I'm gonna check in just a sec. I really like how it's going to use the OEM push pins and 10 mils. That's a really nice touch because I would not want to be drilling into the underside of this bumper. Maybe because I plan on actually keeping this car for a while, tracking it, doing all sorts of mods to it, so I kind of want to baby it a little bit. This isn't a one season car for me. Okay, so we got all the screws and stuff off, all the push pins off. We're gonna put some alcohol on the underside of the bumper, of course, just to make sure there's, you know, a nice clean surface that all this adhesive stripping could adhere to. And as you guys can see, I peeled back all the strips. Every single one of the edges is off. That way, once it's on the car, I can easily just peel this. These back strips may not be on your carbon fiber front lip if you're ordering from Unit17 Autostyling. The reason being is because this is one of the first ones they sent out. And so, you know, they were just not sure if they needed this or not. Turns out you don't need this back strip whatsoever. Now it's time that you guys watch me struggle putting it on the car all by myself. Oh man, this is gonna look gnarly. I can't wait. So what I'm gonna do is just bolt in these two 10mm in the middle, and then once that's good, I'll pull this out, start bolting all this up, and then continue to do the sides after that. First 10mm going in. Oh, let's go to the other side. Okay, so those two bolts should be holding it really nicely now, so no need for this box anymore. Oh man, guys, that looks absolutely mean. Yo, it transforms the front of this car so much. Now, obviously the sides are still a little, you know, they're hanging a little bit. And check out those air slits on the front of the lip. I have not seen any other company do that as of yet on the G87, but really nice touch for this car. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna peel off all of the red strips. I'm gonna give you guys some super satisfying ASMR with that. And then we're gonna bolt everything down once those strips come off. And then because it's probably, you know, it's too dark today to get some really nice cinematic shots, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow for some more shots. All right, I'm gonna be serious for a second here, guys. Somehow Unit17 Autostyling has found a way to make a badass looking splitter while being extremely lightweight with prepreg carbon fiber. Obviously, that's the construction material, and it fits perfectly using all of the OEM holes. I don't think I've ever worked with a carbon fiber company that has done that before. So this is a first, guys. This is a badass look, and the fitment is on. Like, look at that. There's zero gaps. There's no gaps whatsoever. It fits right the first time around. Check out that fin. Oh my God, this thing is sick. Here's another shot at the slits that you guys can probably barely see through on camera. Yeah, that's just a really nice, solid design. So massive shout out to Unit17 Autostyling, guys. Check out their website. The link will be in the description. And again, if you guys want to save some money, you can use my discount code, which is on screen now. Oh, and I didn't show you guys this before. Let me know your thoughts of it in the comments down below. But my buddy, who owns a shop called Toronto Carbon, makes these really nice custom carbon fiber emblems. And now the awesome thing is I finally have carbon on the front end to match the emblem. That was the only carbon fiber piece on the front end so far. Now it's finally got a buddy. But yeah, these things are beautiful as well. I'll leave a link to these in the description. He does all sorts of really nice custom designs. I can't be any happier with this front lip. Fitment, quality, everything is absolutely perfect. Let me know what you guys think of the front lip in the comments down below, guys. Again, you can use my discount code if you want to save some money on anything from Unit17 Autostyling US. Links will all be in the description down below. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more content on the G87 M2, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.